Shaq and his team dive into the game, trading like sharks, no room for shame. Strategy so sharp, like a knife in the night. Every move calculated, every risk we fight. In the matrix, we're the kings of the game, trading like sharks, no room for shame. Strategy so sharp, like a knife in the night. Every move calculated, every risk we fight. In the matrix, we're the kings of the trade, riding high. Our wealth's never to fade, sharp as a blade. Our confidence is bold in the market. We're never cold. Through the chaos, through the pain, we rise above, we never wane. Each trade a victory, each also lessons. In the matrix, we're never at a loss. From the depths to the peaks, we ascend. With every win, we feel our power bend. Traded like pros in the eye of a storm. Our success is our greatest form. The market's our playground. We play the game with every trade. Our confidence remains, no matter the risk. We take it on in the matrix. We're never alone. In the matrix, we're the kings of the trade, riding high. Our wealth's never to pay, sharp as a blade. Our confidence is bold in the market. We're never cold.
Yo, what up, everybody? Good morning, good morning. That song is... Oh, we're still not done. My bad. Thought it was done.
Riding high,
Okay.
our wealth's never to fade. Sharp as a blade.
Hey.
Our confidence is bold in the market.
Hey.
We're never cold.
Okay, here we are. Here we go. What is up, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to another live stream here. We are tanking. It is a bloodbath, and this is what we want to see. I actually took the short this morning at around 6:15 a.m. up here in this supply with the breakout structure. I was already kind of getting at my desk, so we're up on these two that we just took profit from. So we're just chilling this morning. We're just chilling. I got my Lucid accounts ready to trade, to try passing. But all is well. All is well. How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Eric, what's up? Fred, what's up? What's up? What's up? Angelo, what's up? What's up, brother? Morning, good morning. Man. I wish I was holding still. It would have been $2,000 right here. But, you know, you take what's given to you. We here, guys. Good morning. Good morning. We're here. Morning, brother. Got my Lucid account ready to go. Let's get it. Let's go. I got my Lucid here. We're just chilling. Got these two last night. I still have this one Express account here that I could squeeze out a little bit more profit before I request the split if I want to. We're up 662 from last night, so we can trade that too if we want, if on the Express accounts, but we're just chilling. Yo, where's Will at? Is Will here already? Oh, and sorry about this morning. My my freaking OBS shut down for some reason. Just like literally shut off, so I had to reset it. Setting up my second account right now. Still waiting for my funded one. I have an early morning today, so most likely we'll be watching and engaging on your live. Nice, bro. Thanks, Fred, and congrats. Yeah, shout out to Fred. W using the chat for Fred. He just passed his eval, his first eval, coming back after a long time. This man comes back after like months off from trading. Comes back, buys his first eval, and passes 100K eval. Shout outs to you, Fred. Shout out to you, bro. Buzz, good morning, man. Good morning. Didn't expect metals to drop hard on Friday. I was planning to hold my gold short trade till the end of the month, but booked my biggest profit today itself. Bro, congratulations, Traders POV. Nice work. Yeah, for whatever reason, man, gold is either profit takers or market sentiment based off of everything, but usually if there's fear in the markets as far as war or even like another COVID situation, gold likes to move up. But I think that with just the strong run up that we've had, this is just heavy profit taking. So today I'm gonna take it slow, take it easy. We're up for $1,100 on today. We just took profit on these accounts. I submitted for funding. After the profit split, it's $2,194 each account. So we're waiting to hit. And I traded those accounts today for $1,100. I'm so busy at work. I don't know if I will be able to make a trade. Might follow you if you trade more. Sounds good, brother. Sounds good. Yeah, take it easy, and the market's always going to be there for you. So don't feel pressured. Don't rush yourself. We have a 5-minute demand here, not to kind of throw off the momentum, but we have this 5-minute demand. Potentially might be able to hold, don't know. If we go to the 5-minute on my trading view, there's no EMAs there, so not really the greatest of confluences. There's a lot of 5-minute demands that could potentially be used, so I won't be taking that setup. If we were to look for A+, it'd be right over here in this 1 hour demand. And most likely would be down here if we want to be like super conservative, or an A++ setup. Yeah, pretty much that's all I got on gold right now. Yo, good morning. Buzz, good morning. Just made quick scalp on gold plus 200 in 2 accounts. Nice job, Angelo. Freaking banking that money, bro. Good job. Solid work, bro. Morning all, Buzz. Yeah, Buzz, thanks for switching over to the shorts, but I'll try to keep an eye as much as possible. All the work we have put together over the years, that's what it is. We keep grinding, bro. Yes sir, yes sir. Ethan, you trade NQ, bro. I do trade NQ, which we can take a look at NQ really quick. NQ. How much do you think you could put into props before getting your first payout, then consistently? Seems like you're on track to 20k payouts total in February. That's great, Shaq. Thanks, man. Yeah, and let me look at NQ really quick before I answer that question, because it's a longer question. We respect this gentleman who's asking about NQ. I do look at NQ, and then also don't want to forget to look at NQ. What we're going to do is delete all the boxes we got. We're going to draw out our 1 hour supply and demand. So we got a supply here, and then we have a demand right here. We look for trades. We also have this demand on the 1 hour here. I don't know if it can hold or not. But with the momentum selling off, you know, potentially could look for a break of structure. With something like this isn't the cleanest break of structure. Higher high, lower high, higher high. These 2 5-minute candles are really tough for me to accept as a break of structure. These 2 bearish candles. Maybe this one's a lower high. So it's a bit of a risky sell if you want to take a sell on the break of structure up here. As far as how much do you think you put into props, you know, to be honest, it comes down to your risk management. You know, are you going to go and tilt and keep resetting your accounts? You know, keep paying the $97 or whatever it is to keep resetting it. That's all I could say. When last year I spent around $3,000 or $4,000 on TopStep, and then in total payouts I got close to $10,000. So over the course of a year I was still somewhat profitable. I'd call it break even more than anything. I think prop firms are a better way to mitigate your loss as opposed to throwing $2,000 into like a cash account in Tradevate and trying to trade that. So for now, I'm gonna call you Shark, because you really are a shark in the shark in trading. Cool, bro. I like that. I'm cool with Shark. Better than Sensei, bro. Leto, hi, how are you? I'm doing good, man. Yeah, you have a question? I just joined and see you already made 1.1k, bro. Geez, thanks, bro. Espresso. I already there was a short on gold before I went live, and I was just getting settled in for the office and texting and messaging people, and I saw this break of structure, this 5-minute bearish candle kind of suck up all this, not liquidity, break all these structures. So I took the short here. I actually got stopped out once and then re-entered and then added in. I was trying to hold for the swing low, but I was already trying to fiddle with my OBS and it was getting a little skeptical and sketchy, so I closed out. I haven't locked out yet. Since we're up in profit, I might risk a bit more, see if we can catch another trade. So I've passed to funded from the start of 2026. You've passed to funded. I'm making beginner mistakes. I hadn't made it in a while with the strategies I'm making profits. I try to take more and I'm burning through my winnings. Yeah, that's rough, man. You're dealing with, you know, emotional and psychological emotions, you know. You're just dealing with emotions. You know, if you know your strategy and you know your setup, Loto, you know what you should and shouldn't do, you got to ask yourself, why are you risking? Like, if you're risking your profits and you're taking another trade, is it an A+ setup? Is it something that you know you should take? And if it is, then just accept it as a loss. But if you're taking the trade and you're losing your profits, but it's trades that aren't in your parameter or just a little bit of a hunch and they're, you know, really more gambly trades, then, you know, you really got to ask yourself, why are you taking those trades and why are you wanting to take more from the market, you know? And that's a very internal conversation that you need to have with yourself. So whenever I was in that position of greed and trying to make more, it was more of just trying to prove something to me and people within my life that I was something, right? It was never about the dollar amount. So hopefully that answers your question, and hopefully that helps you, brother. And join the Discord. It's completely free. To the pinned comments below in the description below. And just to get the algorithm juices flowing, would be really meaningful if I could earn a tap of the like button on the stream. Just helps me. It's a free way to support me and just get the stream going and get the right people here that need to be a part of the community, and as we are all growing together. I totally get it. Like with my first ever Lucid past the eval first time, but lost it at funded. I have to switch the mindset from past to eval to protect the capital. Yes, that, Eric, that is the biggest feat, is going from eval to funded. And once you're funded, like psychologically it starts to mess with you. But what I like accepted for myself is like, it's really fugazi, you know. The funded is actually fake money. And then I performed a bit better. On my live funded Trade Evade account, where I put $3,000 in there, I am like scared because it's like real money, you know. So for now, I'm trading prop firms because it's still fake money, and my amount of risk is extremely low. All right, so this 5-minute demand on gold actually held nicely. It's bouncing from here, which is pretty sweet. I will follow the Discord. Thank you, absolutely. And Leto, thanks for joining the Discord, and welcome to the community, man. Everyone, smash the like. Yeah, listen to Eric. Smash that like button, bro. I'm from here to take any more. Good for you, bro. And listen, you know, we're all gonna make mistakes. We're all gonna go on tilts. We're all gonna have these days where we give back what we got, what we made, and there's not much you can do but to accept what's happened and do your best to move forward. And that is the hardest part, I will say, is whenever I make a mistake, or whenever I overtrade, or if I take a setup that really isn't a setup, or I'm still susceptible to those things and I still make those mistakes. It's just a matter, it's what I'm learning to do is just accept, like internalize it, feel the pain of what I just did, reset, and then show up back again. I always talk about Tom Hugard, the best loser wins. He talks about a guy that he knows that was friends with Tiger Woods, and he asked the guy, like, why was Tiger Woods the greatest of all time when it comes to golf? And he explained that whenever Tiger made a mistake trading, let's say he's on the 8th hole, I don't know much about golf, let's say he's on the 8th hole going to the 9th, and on the 8th hole you just made, you know, a few mistakes, and you know, just did really bad, made a lot of mistakes. He'd show up to the 9th hole as if everything in the 8th hole never happened. And I try to do that every day. I try to come here when I make my mistakes, you know, when life is really crazy, when I've got a lot going on, or, you know, there's just so many things that happen in our lives or even in trading. And I try to show up every day and just reset. So, yeah, you're right. I'll reset my mind. You got this, brother. I'm cheering for you. So is the whole community. So good luck to you, brother. It would be nice if you make a video explaining your strategy. I think it's a really solid trading strategy. Yeah, you know what, Angelo? I will. This weekend, I did a little work for a client of mine, or not a client. He's a good friend of mine. And I just said, yeah, I'll work for you. You know, he has his own agency, and he just kind of subcontracted me to be a videographer for his shoot. And I said, sure, let's do it. So yesterday I was kind of busy doing that, and then it came into the office and I traded at market open. I scalped so that I can get the winning days. What I'm trying to say is I will do my best this weekend to get that up for you, Angela. Strategy video. It's very straightforward, and there are a lot of people who do it, but I get it. Everyone explains things in a different way, and maybe in my explanations and teaching, I could maybe help somebody, differently. So nonetheless, we'll do that. What platform do I trade on? Right now, I'm trading on Tradeovate's Project X with these Express accounts. So I have 5 funded Express accounts with TopStep. And then on Tradeovate, I have these 2 Lucid funded accounts, or Lucid evals, I should say. Kind of like these longs on gold. All right, these are just Tradeovate accounts, so I'm gonna try taking this long on gold and scalp it a bit if it rips higher. All right, we're in. Just a quick. I'm gonna put my stops below. See if we get the push. We might get stopped out. Oh, we got the fake out. Appreciate the sub. Thank you so much. These are just evals, so I'm taking a little bit more of a risky trade. I don't know how much I'm risking is the problem. Probably risking a lot, to be honest. Really need to see this push. I'm in danger here. Could get stopped out. All right, we got stopped out on that. Totally good with it. These are just evals, so I'm not stressing it. I still like the setup. No. This is just Lucid. I'm aiming for this 5-minute supply for take profit if we get there. Appreciate the sub. Appreciate the sub. Thank you so much, man. Am I gambling? Absolutely. Trading is gambling. Anybody that says that it's not is a lie. All right, we're going to move to break even. It is possible to read the charts, but it's gambling. You know what I mean? It's risky. Gambling, you can gamble and make money. I guess I'm trying to be philosophical about it. No, I'm not gambling. I'm not just going on tilt and just hoping for the best. You know, I have a strategy to it, but I do call trading gambling. You know, I think putting risk to anything is gambling. Sorry, because I'm a little distracted trying to watch this trade. I'm at break even now. We could still be negative for the day. I'm just going to hold to I'm going to stay at break even after that 1 minute candle break. Lucid accounts can be copy traded. Yeah, anything with Tradeovate, you can go to manage groups and you can put your accounts in a group.
Stop filled.
All right, we got to break even on that. Could have made a little bit of profit, but I was trying to hold for this TP area. That's correct. Yeah, 2 micros. Yes, exactly. Thanks, Eric. Yes, I am just being more risk averse on these accounts because I'm okay risking $65.
Stop filled.
I'm okay blowing up the $65. NQ going crazy. Oh, dang. Wow, what a rally. 100%. Appreciate the sub. Appreciate the sub. Thank you so much. Oh, we're about to get stopped out again.
Stop filled.
Dag nabbit. Again, evals, everybody, evals. These are my funded accounts. not trading my funded accounts right now. All right, well, might as well wait to trade a little bit more. I like the odds of it coming up to this 5-minute supply. I just keep getting stopped out with trying to scalp it. Made money off Asian session. Let's go. I am trading from Arizona. All right, it held. It held. All right, well, that would have worked out. Just my stops are so tight. I'm risking 2 micros, so my stops have to be pretty tight. Sun Devil fan? I don't know much about it. My wife and I are only here 4 years now, so we're still somewhat relatively new. Look your M15 short, take it short to search the H2 fair value gap buyer. I don't look at fair value gaps, but I'm sure it works for some people. How do you know when you are from that to take a payout and earn money? Well, there it goes. Hits are take profit, just scalping. That's what happens when you have tight stops and you're trying to scalp, is you can get caught. If I would have left my stops on the first trade, we would have been okay. But it is what it is. It's just the way it is. Whenever you're scalping. Whenever I'm trading off the 5-minute, I kind of widen it up and leave room. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lock out myself on these accounts all day. So we're pretty much first day of February on these accounts were green. Last month on this account, got a break-even day, and some small profit days here. So I'm going to lock myself out to get February started on these accounts and just be happy with it. So 2 accounts at around 3,500. I need... Well, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more winning days to take payout on that. And then this funded account, these 2 funded accounts are at $5,255 in balance. So I just need... Actually, I have to wait for the rest of the day to get locked. I locked out already. I have to wait for the rest of the day to request payout, so I locked myself out so I don't accidentally trade that account. So my last funded account would be this account, which is a solo dolo account, which is at 4,648 right now. And I took trades last night, which put me at, I was down like $800. But I waited for the scalp. I made the profit plus some, so that I was finished for the day. So maybe I trade this one a little bit more just to get some extra profits, but I don't know. Let's see. We have PMI. We have news today. So just be careful out there. That is in an hour. So 8 o'clock. 30 minutes after market open. So stay tight. Hold on, guys. I want to watch this short here. I want to see if I can scalp this short on the 5 minute. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I want to see this next 1 minute candle go up. If it goes up, there you go. Then I'll put my stops here.
Order filled.
All right, we got in, and we're gonna put our stops at 250 bucks. Willing to risk 250 bucks on the trade. Appreciate the subs, everybody. Appreciate the sub. Looking to see if it rejects short, because just trading with the momentum. And again, this is my last eval or last funded account. Just gonna try scalping it, and if I can, sweet. And then I'll just focus on the lucid accounts. I like TopStep X because I can see how much I'm risking. Unfortunately, with the Tradevate, you can't do that same thing, so it's a little frustrating. Tradevate does have a lockout feature. March 2nd, I'm thinking about doing the stops at lockout feature Lucid. Also like the TopStep max payout 5K versus 2K. Same here, and you can lock yourself out on Tradevate, guys. You just have to set that parameter up. Probably gonna get stopped out on this one.
Order filled.
Which I'm totally good with. I wanted to see the continuation short, which it's holding now. Market's about to open a little bit, but totally good with risking it. Give it one more stab short. If this thing completely rejects on the 1 minute, I'll go in one more stab short. All right, so it doesn't want to go short. Totally fine. I'll wait for something else to pop up, but trying to trade with the momentum. All right, all righty. Catch up here. Hopefully sometime this year I make it over to the side of the US. Come meet Shaq. Eric, that'd be sick, bro. I'm out here. Do like some sort of meetup with everybody. I have this TX3 funded account that I can give away today. 50K. Type of one in the chat. Type of one in the chat if you guys think that I should give it away today. Do you think we should do a giveaway? Go ahead. Let me know. I don't know. I gotta know. I don't know if I should do it. You know, I gotta know if you guys want it or not. You know what I mean? One. I don't know. Is that enough ones? I don't know. You guys gotta, you know what I mean? I just want to I want to give it away and make sure it makes sense to give away. You know what I mean? Get the people what they want. Type a 2 if you don't care. Maybe there's people who type a 2 who don't care. While you guys are deciding, let's read the poll that I put out to get today. Red folder news. Do we rally? 52% of you say yes, bro. Okay. 15% of you say burn, baby, burn. All right. Only 15% believe that we're going to go short. And then 34%, a good chunk of you guys are new. Well, welcome to all you newbies. Welcome to the Matrix Trading family. There's a Discord pinned up above and in the description, completely free. Love to have you guys part of the team. Trade with us. And I'm liking this short, bro. I'm liking it short if this 1 minute fails. All right, let's do it. If you guys can get 60 likes, I'll do the giveaway. 60 likes. Fred, I'm new here. What game are we playing? We're just playing Call of Duty, you know what I mean? Can you quickly explain your poll? Like, what does that really mean? Yeah, so the poll, one, I use it just to kind of get people to click on the button and join us. And then two, we failed again and made lowers. We failed on the 5 minute to make a new higher high. So potentially looking weak. Gonna try holding. So if you look at this,
Order filled.
I am totally scalping right now. This is what I do when I'm by myself scalping, guys, just so you know. And it looks like I'm about to get cooked.
Order filled.
Whoa. I think you guys just saw that. That was crazy. On this account, I'm very risky. I actually have really only traded this one Express account with scalping. That's why, like, sometimes I'm down 800, but then I make it all back plus some, because I'm really like scalping. Let me type this in the chat really quick, or type this on the screen. I'm gonna make it 60 likes. 60 likes equals TX3 50K eval give away. So we got to get to 60 likes, y'all. Can we do it? Can we get to 60? Yeah, that was a crazy wick. Crazy wick. The poll is just for me to get people into the stream, but the red folder news, do we rally? So there's news that's coming out here in about an hour, or 45 minutes, I should say. And, you know, with data like this that moves the market, I'm trying to get people to reply back in the sense like, do you think we go higher today? Do you think the markets shoot up? Or do you think the markets burn or, you know, go short, you know, and sell off? And then I always put something like, hey, I'm new here, because I want the people that are new and that have never really traded before to have a say. And if they're new, you know, I want to be beginner friendly as much as possible and give the reality of what trading is really like. How do you feel? How did you feel when you received your first payout? My first payout was a while ago. It was back in 23, 22 when I was trading Forex, and it felt good. And I was looking back now, I was overly emotional. I didn't know what was coming to me, but it was like a $800 or $1,000 payout, and I thought I had made it. I was like, oh, this is it. You know, all our worries are gone. You know, I just gave up my solar business for a little bit there. I went full-time trading like an idiot. Actually, I don't want to say an idiot. Like I was trying my best. And I blew it up. I made that 800 or 1,000, but I definitely was in the negative because Forex prop firms back in the day, they charged you way more. Crazy Wick, yeah, yo, I just joined. I've never seen your page. Do you have videos teaching people about trading, and do you have a Discord? What's up, Soup? The answer to yes, I do have a Discord. It's in the pinned comments below, and also or pinned comment above, and in the description below. It's completely free. Would love to have you. And then number two, my YouTube does have some educational stuff like back 2 years ago. I have my own business that I run and employees that I manage, so I'm a bit busier than I am. I'm a bit busier than I used to be, so a lot of my time can only be allocated to trading live. So I try to discuss what I do within the lives. So I would suggest for now, until I can get more time to create more content for teaching, is to rewatch all the live streams. Watch me go on tilts and watch me make money, watch me lose money. I kind of talk about what I'm taking as much as possible. Yo, I just don't worry about your first payout, bro. Yeah, 100% payout. First payout it's good, except that you made the payout, but don't let yourself get too high, on the roller coaster. You gotta. I've learned to keep myself balanced. I mean, with this payout, oh, you know what? I need to lock myself out. Sorry, guys. Actually, I don't care. It's gonna be 24K. 24K is what I'll make if I can't lock in this day. So I'll keep this up. So essentially with the other 4 accounts, I'll be at 25K in the last 30 days. Does it feel great that I made 25K in the last 30 days with 4 accounts? Yeah, sure. Feels great. But I basically just move on. Like, I'm like, okay, great. The payouts are whatever now. It's not even about the payouts to me anymore. It's about just making sure I take the setups I should take and getting in and out and managing my risk. Like, I don't really think about the payouts anymore. Payouts used to be amazing. I used to be like, oh my gosh, payouts. But now they're just, it's just a process that I do. It's like, oh, it's time for payout, I guess, Over the weekend, yeah, sometimes I'm like, oh my gosh, I just need one more day to get a payout, and I overthink it, or I start fixating on it. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get a payout, and I have to force myself to like watch a movie or think of something else or do work and distract myself because I can be so fixated to counting the dollars. I'm sure we all. Maybe I'm the only one, but I'll start like doing the math, like 4 accounts, $2,500 per account. I'm going to make this much. If I just do one more day of $150, or if I do another day of $1,000, I can do that 4 times a week. That's $4,000. Like, I myself am susceptible to those emotional things to do throughout the day. And I do my best to stop that. So I like get myself distracted, or I get busy on work and go from there. So. What's the most trades you ever taken in one day, and does it matter? Personally speaking, no, I don't think it matters. Back in the day, it did. Over trading was a bit of a thing, like actually how many trades. When you scalp, you kind of like, it's like whatever. If you're trading a live account, like with Tradeovate or TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, E-Trade, all the brokers that are trading with live accounts. Over trading and trading a lot can beat you up because the commissions, the round trip commissions, they basically charge you to enter a trade and they charge you to get out of a trade, right? So you really have to be careful when you're taking a lot of trades. When you're trading these prop firms, the commissions are like minimal. Emotional audio visual. I don't know what that means. I'm new to trading. I put $100 in and the account is up 8%. Won 5 to 6 trades last week. Congrats, man. That's awesome. Good discipline on just trading on $100. Some people will full port the $100. Like right now on my Lucid account, I'm in $65 each account and I'm already down $800 because I'm like, it's whatever, it's $65. So the fact that you're able to just, hey, thanks for the subscription, JFam, means a lot. Welcome to the family. The fact that you're willing to be disciplined and trade just $100 means you know, once you have more cash to throw into the account, you can scale up from there. Leto, thank you, bro. Absolutely. APC said hi. I almost blew my funded trying to hit my winning days. Could have been taking a week to reset, but your content helps. Awesome, thanks. Yeah, and that's what the prop firm game is about, guys. You got to be careful. I myself get caught in this where it's like, I just need one more funded day. So I came here yesterday fully knowing the market was going to open, and I didn't say I'm not going to trade, and neither did I say I was going to trade. And I saw the volatility. I was like, oh man, trading is what is it called? The markets are pretty volatile right now. There's a lot of movement, and I feel safe to trade. So I traded yesterday and got what I got out of the markets, and that was it. I'm wondering if I can take this one more time short. Market is about to open in 10 minutes, but I'm just going to see if I can scalp this. Nope. Left without us. It left without us. All right, we're at 25 likes already. We just got to get to 60, so we're almost halfway there, guys. Not bad, not bad. Just subscribe, new here, Jacob Adams. Hopefully I said that right. This is Jacobus Adams. What's up? Thanks for joining me. I appreciate it. Appreciate the sub. Listen, guys, I trade live because it's more for me than it is for y'all. Because it keeps me in check. You know what I mean? Like, if I were to go on tilt right now in front of you guys, I'm embarrassing myself. So me going live and being here, yes, I'm trying to help people, but really I'm trying to help myself. Trying to help myself stay accountable, trying to help myself keep to my word. I'm trying to keep myself level-headed. Like, bro, you're a small fish in a big pond in this trading world. And being live and talking with people and having you guys watch me lose money keeps me humble, you know? So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, bro. No factors. Hey, I already had it. I decided like it distracts me in the morning, so I already had my factor this morning. I worked at Starbucks a little bit this morning too. $60 likes will get this giveaway going, eh? Come on, eh? I think Will has to work today. We miss you, Will. If you watch this over again, we miss you. All right, let's shift up the screen here, and let's go to MNQ. All right, so this 5-minute supply did not hold. Hold on, let me see what's going on. You have Pinoy, bro? I am. ¿Cómo está? Gold is selling. Yes, gold is selling. I tried shorting it, but I got stopped out a few times already. No Will and no Dylan. Yeah, they're probably busy, I guess, you know. Well, I know Dylan or Will actually works sometimes on Mondays, so during this time. Yes, bro, what are you pairing now? What are you trading now? I'm looking at NQ. I just need to keep my eye on NQ also. We're in this 1 hour supply. It's not the nicest 1 hour supply area. And then we went higher here. We made a new higher high. So, you know, potentially at market open, looking for longs here. It's a very risky trade, but potentially looking at longs there. Appreciate the subs, everybody. It means a lot. I was just on YouTube 3 years ago. Only the subs only started coming in like a few months ago. But for so long, I was trading by myself, like one person, two people, or even just by myself, talking to myself, which is crazy. But you can go to the live streams that I was at like a long time ago, talking to myself and posting videos and not getting views. And I just decided just going to keep doing it, right? So appreciate you guys subscribing and joining the team. Shaq, do you drink or smoke? I don't. I am too afraid to drink alcohol. My father was an alcoholic, so I'm very afraid of alcohol. Not that there's anything wrong with it. And then smoking, no, I'm afraid to smoke too. I'm afraid to not be conscious, I guess I should say. I'm afraid to lose my consciousness. So there's nothing against it. I just am afraid to lose my consciousness. I've been addicted, or not addicted, not that you're talking about addiction, but you know, food obviously has been my way of like not being conscious or escaping myself. Now I'm trying to learn that, trying to get better at that. So, because when you ask me and I say no, I don't drink or smoke, I feel like, oh, he's a little goody two shoes. Like, I'm not perfect, and I definitely overeat from time to time, and I'm trying to learn to do better. But that's my vice, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. All right, so two things. MNQ, 5-minute demand. I'm going to put an alert there. Gold, okay. Gold had to break a structure. Market's about to open. Market's about to open. I'm about to take a very risky trade in front of you guys. I need a Starbucks right now. Go get yourself a Starbucks, bro. My wife and I like Starbucks, and we like Dunkin' Donuts. We don't have a preference. It depends on the time of day and which one's closest. But Starbucks is good. It's so strong that I can't finish it, right? When I get Dunkin', it is not that strong, and I finish it really fast. Like, really fast.
Order filled.
No. No, it's an aggressive buy, but it's a break of structure, and I wanted to take it short, give it a shot. I'm totally fine losing. I'm not like stressing it. Trading is like fishing, where you hook the right bait for the fish you want to catch. Amen to that, bro. If you look at my videos, Patrick, I actually have a video that talks about how trading is like fishing. I actually use a net though, like casting a net. And that your setup is like your net. Even then, I wasn't even profitable, but I understood a concept that I was trying to get. But it's cool that you mentioned that it's like fishing.
Order filled.
Okay, well, we were up 600 on this account. Now we're down 96 bucks. But I'm totally good with that. Locked out on the other ones. That's why I locked myself out, because I didn't want to do anything stupid. I'm going to keep trading this one Express account because I don't really need the I don't really care to try to take profit on this account as of yet. So what's up? Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Make sure to smash that like button. We're trying to get to 60 likes so that I can give away this TX3 funded eval. Okay, well, if things flip here, if a 5-minute candle breaks above this high, then I'll look for longs in this 5-minute demand. We just need to see what happens. We have to see this 5-minute candle close above. What strategies do you use? I use supply and demand with breakout structure, market structure. Tell us about your strategy. Yeah, supply and demand with market structure. And then on my other screen here, I have 2 EMAs. I have a 213 EMA. That's just for like added confluence, like a way for me to stick to a trade or feel confident of taking a trade. Naz, I hear you. Dang, Naz is ripping. Very nice. I'm gonna mark this supply zone out, and we're just gonna watch what happens there. Gold is trying to push higher, which is cool. Again, if we close above this swing high, I'll be looking for longs down here. But we have to close above the swing high for me to want to go long. Whoa, sorry. I didn't mean to burp at the mic. I didn't mean to burp in y'all's faces, man. I mean to burp in y'all's faces. And if you got headphones on, it means I burped in your ears. It's awkward. That's it. Bah. Welcome to all the new subscribers, people who joined the Discord. Good morning. Welcome. Saw a bunch of people subscribe, so thank you. Early mornings, man. Early mornings. But that's the way I like it. By the time 7 o'clock hits, I'm pretty much like, yo, what day is it? Where am I? What's going on? I got to drive 2 hours this morning, which means it's 2 hours back. 4 hours a day sometimes. It's a little crazy. What indicators do I use? On my other screen, I have a 200 EMA and a 200 EMA and a 13 EMA. You guys are doing great. We're halfway there. Just need 30 more likes, guys. You got to get more people in the stream. Appreciate the sub. Appreciate the sub. Means so much. Where's NQ at? All right, NQ tapped that 1 hour supply. Starting to push off right now. Pretty risky to fade the move, but looks interesting to me. All right, so gold is about to close. 49 seconds left. There is a 5-minute supply up here. We broke all these structures, so potentially going short here seems interesting to me. Hey, brother, nice to come across your channel. Thanks, man. I appreciate you stopping by, even leaving a comment out of your busy day, wherever you're at in the world. It means a lot. I'm a newbie, and I intend to learn. Please, can you teach me or take me as a student? I unfortunately do not have that availability right now. I'm not doing one-on-one teaching or anything. I don't have the time, to be honest. I wish I did. And also, I have a business that I run outside of this, so if I had the time to, I would, but I don't. Unfortunately, right now, I don't. But what you can do is join the Discord, and I'm in there. I try to stay active as much as possible. We have Will, who's a moderator, and then we have Dylan, who's a actual funded trader with Lucid, and also he has his own trading account. I know him personally, and he's a verified funded trader. So he's a part of the team, and he goes live in there and does trading on the Discord. Shout out to you, Eric. Thanks, bro. All right, so there's 2 potential trades here. We got a 5-minute demand down here to potentially go long in. And then we have a 5-minute supply up here to potentially go short. I don't know which one's which at the moment, but if I'm just looking at price the way it is, we'd be looking for the shorts. See if we can take a quick scalp on there. But we're going to try waiting for the box, waiting to get filled in the box. Can you assure me I can use your signals and be profitable? I am not offering any signal services. Everything that you see is just for entertainment and educational purposes only. You guys do whatever you want to do. I'm taking trades whenever I take them, but you guys do whatever you want. So I do not provide a signal service. What I do provide is entertainment, because I spin around in my chair sometimes and I sing songs and I act like Donald Trump, and then I also take trades and you watch me lose and make money because it's entertainment purposes only.
Order filled.
Sometimes just jumping into a trade, like getting limit order filled, is pretty risky because it can just rip up. So I might get stopped out and have to be re-entered in. I only risk around 250 per trade, and then I'll re-enter in if I have to. But the risk is when you have an aggressive entry like this, you could get close to stopping out, which I'm about to get stopped out.
Order filled.
So we got stopped out. I'm going to wait to see what happens next and try to re-enter in.
Order filled.
There's still room. Oh man, I might get stopped out here. I'm gonna have to give this to a breeding room. See if it comes up and then rejects. I'm thinking that it might come up to stop people out here above this candle. So I'm going to see if it comes up and rejects. If it doesn't, Ruben, what's up, bro? I don't know if you're the Ruben I know, but I only know one Ruben Torres, and if that's you, bro, what's up? I feel like it's trying to come up and stop people out here above this candle wick. So I'm just trying to give it some breathing room. Don't do what I'm doing. Don't do what I'm doing, please. Just don't do what I'm doing.
Order filled.
Oh, I forgot to move it. Dang it. I forgot to actually let go and move it.
Order filled.
All right, we're in one last time, guys. One last time. Oh, gosh, I'm about to get cooked. I'm about to get cooked. I'm about to get cooked. I forgot to let go because I wanted to give it room, but I forgot to let go. It happens. It definitely happens. There's news in 20 minutes. Oh, so it is Ruben. What's up, Ruben?
Order filled.
Yo, that is the Ruben from before in the Discord.
Order filled.
Come on and flush, brother. Flush, flush.
Order filled.
I just got out because the news is in 15 minutes, so I was like, I should just get out at this low of the candle and take what I can get. So there you go. So you just my trading style could have held me a little bit more, but my trading style, if you're a scalper, you have to just get out when you should get out. And up here, I was getting a little stupid. But the first time, or that last time when I got stopped out, I would have been just fine if I would have lifted it above this area, but I forgot to let go of my finger. But this 5-minute supply is definitely valid and held, which is great. So if you're in short, GG's to you. Valid longs now on gold here is what I'll be watching when market news comes. So we're in a 1 hour supply here. And this is 1 hour demand. So I will be potentially looking at longs down here. Patrick, give us the moolah. Eric, we up? Where are you from? I'm from Arizona, my friend. I'm Filipino, if that's what you're asking. Jello, GG's. What's up? We're at 40 likes. 20 left, guys. 20 left. Excuse me, 20 left. And we got the giveaway. Trying to decide, do I lock myself out and just take the profit? I don't know. NASDAQ is ripping. NASDAQ is ripping higher. Appreciate the sub. Means a lot. Thank you so much. Mangard plus 211. Yo, if you guys got that hype button, can you guys hype it up for me? Can we hype it up? Hype it up for me, y'all. I know it's a new thing. I use GPT on the estimate of G. Don't know what that means, Eric. You kept calm, collected. Thanks, bro. Yeah, tried. All right, news is coming up. GC, and she failed me. Oh, no. Sorry to hear that, bro. Sorry to hear that. All right, so on our evals, I will look to take it long also here. GC estimate 25K giveaway, 92K. Wait, what, Eric? What do you mean? Yo, where's our giveaway sign here? Did I delete it? I think I did. 60 likes, guys. 60 likes. We're so close, and I got a 50K count giveaway for y'all. I'm gonna delete funded because it makes it cleaner. There you go. When you did the 25K, eliminate the BC, my mind all over the place. But yeah, GPT told me 92K, and that's what's setting me up for failure. Oh, yeah, bro. Okay, so we did a giveaway in the Discord. So join the Discord. I gave away a 25K account celebrating 3,000 subscribers and 300 Discord members. And I had everybody guess what the price of Bitcoin was going to be yesterday at 7 p.m. my time. And I guess Eric asked ChatGPT what it was going to be, and it said 92. Well, that goes to show AI can't trade either. It doesn't know the truth either about what's going to happen. So take that with a grain of salt. All good. We still here. Yeah, I got more to give away, guys. I got more to give away for us. Ooh, this song sounds good. Can we just appreciate the music real quick? And it's not copyrighted too. I haven't been getting copyright infringements with this live.
Order filled.
Come on. Come on, give me the projection. I'll answer your question here shortly. I'm trying to see if I can take a scalp on here for us. No! No! Come on! Trying to scalp to our entry area right before the news.
Order filled.
Come on, push. Push. No, don't do this to me, bro. Come on, flush. Come on and flush. Come on and flush. Come on and flush. Come on and flush. No. Flush. 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 Flush like the toilet. Flush like the toilet. Come on. Come on. Come on and flush. Come on, bro. There you go.
Order filled.
Take a quick scalp on that one. Quick scalp. News is about to hit. Totally fine getting out because news is about to hit. This last month is my first real month of profitability. So I'll be at just around 25K last month on 2 accounts. So to answer 2 people asking how much have I made trading, just this year is my first year. It looks like I'll be profitable. You know, I can't guarantee what's going to happen this month, but as of last month, it would have been a 25K month, or it will be a 25K month because I have payouts already incoming. So. Appreciate the sub. Means a lot. Max Morales, thanks for subbing. Solid. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Thank you. We have news in T-minus 4 minutes, everybody. News in T-minus 4
Order
minutes.
filled.
Oh my gosh, I forgot that we have the freaking... I forgot that we have TX3 or Lucid accounts right now. Yikes. I forgot that I put the Lucid accounts on. These are just evals, so I'm not too stressed about it. Yes, technically speaking, I still have one more payout to request. Today, once market closes, it'll let me request. That'll put me at 25K for the month. I might blow these evals today, which I'm totally fine with. All good, bro. All good, Moolah. I know you're busy. It's all good. At least you got it, bro. At least you got it. That's what matters. We're getting close, everybody. Thanks, Moolah. Yep. All we need is 60 to do the giveaway. 60 likes gets us the giveaway of the 50K TX3 funded account. Yes, this is gold. So we're taking this long based on a 1 hour demand and also us having to break a structure. So we made a higher high instead of a lower high and a lower low. So this is the area where we would want to go long. All right, news is about to drop. Dylan shorted. Those contracts are just nuts. Made 1,200 on that short, quick short. Nice work, bro. Yes, it is insanity right now. Insanity. Just Alexandris. What's up? What's up? $30 seconds left, everybody. 30 seconds left.
Stop filled.
Oh, looks like we're cooked. Not looking good for us, everybody. I might blow these Lucid accounts today. About to get stopped out.
Stop filled.
All right, this is all just Lucid evals, guys. Lucid evals. So we're still up on the day with our other stuff. I'm on the evals. I'm pretty, like I said, I'm pretty risk averse. Totally fine taking losses and resetting the accounts.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled.
This next 5-minute candle, we want to see it grab the 13 EMA.
Order filled.
All right, we made $1,000 on the day on this account. I'm locking myself all day. We're at 5,176. I can get payout on this account as of today. So take what I can get. On the evals, I'm going to go ahead and start to trail here. All right, I closed out on the evals. I'll revisit it if we can. We got back some of the profit. If it goes higher, sweet. But the EMAs are kind of tight. So I'm done. Lovely Shack TopStep's interface looks great, to be honest. Yeah, it does. I like TopStep's interface. It's really nice. Really helps with knowing the dollar amounts, even the tickers. You could trade Tradeovate on what is it called? Trading View. But yeah. All right, let me catch up with you guys. Will, good morning. Good morning. We played your music this morning. Yes, the bots announced the lives. Yes, thank you, bro. Shout out W's to Will, guys. W to Will. Will set up the Discord for us, cleaned it up a bit. Also set up some automations for us. So shout out to you, Will. Thank you so much for doing that work and making the Discord a fun place to be. He put some pet channels to talk in. We have a car channel. Like, it's going to be really fun. We still have a movie night that I want to do. We still have Call of Duty that I'm going to get a TV to put in my office here so I can come in on the weekends and we can play some Call of Duty, start playing games. So yeah, let me catch up here. Also, in order to keep up the accounts, you'd essentially reset it to 48,100 before breaching. It would be 50,100 is now the bottom line on the accounts. Did I get out of everything? Tradeovate scares me sometimes. Yes, I did. Cool. I'll join the Discord in a bit. Getting my guys started at the job right now. GG's, Mr. Shaq. Thanks, man. Have to see you tomorrow. Thank you. Great, man. I was a sloth first weekend. I didn't go back testing in 7 months. Let's go. I pretty much lived on my couch this weekend. Nice. I feel you. Yeah, I tried to live on my couch. I actually took a nap yesterday. I was out. And I played some Call of Duty at night. Came to the office and worked and trade. Great trade. That deserves a like on the stream. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. We got to get to 60 likes for me to do the giveaway. Hi and bye. Good luck today. Going to be a great week. 1,500 today. Jameson. That's funny. Hi and bye. Hi and bye, Jameson. Lovely Shack Tops. Yes. See my questions though. Yes. Hopefully I answered it. Jello. GG's. Thank you. Let's see. I think it moves higher. Said hi. Yes. Right now it's kind of tricky. The EMAs are just kind of bouncing around. So it might not. It might push lower. I don't know. But I took what I could. I took what was given to me and backed out. For Lucid, you haven't taken a payout, so evals you'd reset or funded you reset. Oh, sorry, evals. So right now I'm at $49,229. To blow these evals, I have to get to 48,000. So that's why I just scalped it and took what I could so I can get some more buffer. But on the eval, once I get to 48,000, that's when I have to reset. Because after a big move to the downside, then gap is filled and it's moving higher. It happens that way, and sometimes it doesn't, You never really know. But yeah, it filled your gap here, and then now it's moving higher. And then now it's moving lower. The bot for the news mentions yesterday's. Looks good. You can filter through low impact news to red folder news. Yeah, it's okay even if it's late. It's just, I think that it's good for our members to know what news that came out and just be aware of it. So if we can have the red folder stuff, that'd be great. It's like recovering. Yeah, you never know. 5-minute candle closed like a wick, which is a sign of weakness, but you might be right, brother. You might be right. It might come back in reverse. Well, I am officially locked out on all the accounts, so there's not much that I can do currently. Great trading today, everybody. Great trading today. You can set a timer for it, announce all the news for the day. That's cool. I like that idea. Yeah, well, let's plan it out, because I think it was a part of a Discord before that did like have the news, and it really like set the tone for me. It really helped me understand like, oh geez, high impact news makes a big difference, right? So, oh, you're talking about NASDAQ. Yeah, you're all good, bro. For sure, for sure. Uh-oh. TopStep's dashboard having issues? All right, I was about to say, I want to get paid here, guys. All right, so funding has been approved. Very nice on this payout. I just need to wait for risk approved, compliance approved, and finance processing. It's a little fugazi, just, you know, they don't want to pay right away. You know, they got to keep their money in their pockets as long as possible, and then they're going to check if I broke any rules, but we are just waiting. I sent what it does in your Discord. Okay, perfect. Roger. I just got a channel in my server that clicks on and takes them to the website to check news. Oh, nice. That's true. I kind of like the alerts, though. It's like one less step for them. They can stay within the Discord. You know what I mean? They kind of just chill in the Discord, so. Do we have a Green Day song? A Green Day song, because Green Day is a band. Let's see here. AI songs. We don't have a Green Day song, but I want to play our intro. I got to leave here at 8:30 today, guys, so we got a little bit more time. But you guys got to get the likes up, because I want to get this giveaway going. So we're close. 60 is the number, so we only need 13 more. 13 more to do the giveaway. Well, I'm gonna play our song, our anthem, our morning anthem. Thanks to Will.
Shaq and his team dive into the game, trading like sharks, no room for shame.
Hey, GG's today, everybody. We hit our green today.
Every move calculated, every risk we fight.
Come on, we got to get to 60 likes.
In the name,
60 likes, y'all.
we're the kings of the game, trading like sharks, no room for shame. Strategy so sharp like a knife in the night. Every
What's up, Sal?
move calculated, every risk we fight in the matrix. We're the kings of
Like
the
that stream, everybody. We got to get to 60. We got to get to 60 to get this giveaway. All right, screw it. I want to have some fun. I'm going to make it 50. Let's go. Make it 50. Hit 50, guys. Hit 50 right now. We're going to do the giveaway. Come on, hit 50. I changed it to 50. One more. Two more.
We're never at a loss. From the depths to the peaks we ascend. With every win we feel our power bend.
Come on, give it away.
Like pros in the eye of a storm. Our success is our greatest form. The
Order filled.
our playground. We play the game with every trade. Our confidence remains no matter the risk. We take it on in
right, we hit it. We hit it. We hit it. We hit it. Let's finish the song and let's do the giveaway. Comment red pill. Comment red pill, everybody. Comment red pill to enter in for the giveaway right now. Right now. Comment red pill. Comment red pill.
Stop filled.
I just got stopped out. I'm trying to short this move.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's go. Comment red pill.
In the matrix.
Everybody enter in. Comment red pill.
Riding high.
Hashtag red pill. Sorry. Hashtag red pill, guys. Has to be hashtag. Sorry. Redo it. Hashtag red pill. Hashtag red pill.
In the market.
Has to be hashtag red pill, please. Hashtag red pill.
Order filled.
Let's keep it going. Hold on. Just going to add into that trade. I'm going to play it one more time to give everybody a chance to enter in.
Shaq and his team died.
Hashtag red pill. Hashtag red pill, everybody. Hashtag red pill. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Everybody enter in. Hashtag red pill. Hashtag red pill.
Like a knife in the night. Every move calculated.
At the end of the song, we're going to enter in for the giveaway.
In the matrix, we're the kings of the game, trading like sharks.
Come on, clap in your room. Clap in your bedroom. Clap in your office.
Strategy so sharp like a knife in the night. Every move calculated, every risk we fight. In the matrix, we're the kings of the trade.
All right, guys, comment hashtag red pill. We got that 50K giveaway going on. Hashtag red pill, everybody. Let's go. Look at me dancing. Let's go. At the end of the song, we're going to do the giveaway. You only have to enter in once, guys, just so you know.
We're never at a loss. From the depths to the peaks we ascend. With every win we feel our power bend. Trading like pros in the eye of the storm. Our success is our greatest form. The market's our playground. We play the game with every trade. Our confidence remains no matter the risk. We take it on in the matrix. We're never alone. In the matrix, we're the kings of the trade. Riding high.
Song's almost done.
Our wealth's never to pay. Sharp as a blade. Our confidence is born in the market. We never cold.
Yes, sir, Eric. I'm watching it. I'm watching it. I can't make more than 1,500. I'm trying to keep an eye on it.
We're the kings of the trade, riding high. Our wealth's never to fade, sharp as a blade. Our
Song's almost done.
confidence is bold in the market. We're never cold.
Shaq, I have the Goblin song. I didn't post it. All right, everybody. All right. Let's get this giveaway going, everybody. Let's get the giveaway going. Oh, snap. My bad. I'm going to break even on the trade here. You got to be subscribed. That's a new thing that Fred, shout out to you, helped me out here. You got to be subscribed, everybody. You got to be subscribed. Dang it. Dang it, it didn't break. You got to be subscribed for you to win, guys. You got to be subscribed for you to win. $78 entries. Really, bro? Come on and break it, bro. You got to be subbed, guys. You got to be subbed. Just give me a second here. All right, I ain't trying to go back and forth here and wait. All right, we're out. Type in 1 in the chat if you're ready. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Type in 1 in the chat if you're ready. Type in 1 and see if you can get the account. Let's see if you're gonna get it. Type in 1 for good luck. A 1 for good luck. I hope someone gets this, whoever it's gonna be. Happy for you. Give you this TX3 funded account. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you join the Discord. Leave a like button or tap the like button. Also, if you're going to trade with TX3 Funded, use my code SHACMT to get a discount. SHACMT to get a discount with TX3 Funded. I personally know the owner's father. Him and I have done work together. So this is a funded. This is a prop firm that I actually know. Shout out to you guys. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Vamsi. Welcome or congratulations, Vamsi, for winning the TX3 funded account. Congratulations, sir. Or ma'am. I don't know. At everyone, congrats on winning the TX3 funded eval. Vamsi, are you here? Vamsi, are you here? I need to see if Vamsi is here. Everybody, I need to see Vamsi. Vamsi, are you here? There you are. There you are. Vamsi, please join the Discord. I just posted inside the Discord. And comment to me directly. Or send me a DM. Vamsi, send me a DM. Please. You could. Absolutely, congrats. Send me a DM. And I need you to type in the number that I'm going to give you in the Discord. Congratulations, Vamsi. Vamsi, congratulations. Send me a direct message, Vamsi. Direct message, if you could. Thank you, bro. Yes, I am. Congratulations. Definitely. Okay, bro. All right, there's no contact for you here. So I need you to send me a direct message on Discord. And then I'm going to have you type in a certain message here. Vamsi, awesome. Vamsi, if you could send me a DM on Discord. Tap my name and then send me a direct message, Vamsi, in the Discord. I'm the one that posted your name in the Discord there. Actually, I mean, your name is Vamsi, so I'm just going to click on your name. Vamsi, I sent you a message, Vamsi, of a code for you to send in the Discord or in the YouTube chat, Vamsi. Sorry, guys. Sorry, I'll get back to you in the comments section. Vamsi, I sent you a message. Vamsi, did you get my message on Discord? Okay, Vamsi, in the Discord, I sent you a direct message. I need you to type in the chat. Okay, yeah, type in the numbers that I sent you directly. Please type in the number in the YouTube chat of the one I sent you. Please and thank you. Vamsi, I need you to send it in the chat, bro. I gotta get going. Send it in the chat, please. Type the message of 111. Oh, I just said it. Type this in the YouTube chat, bro. YouTube chat. In the direct messages, Vamsi. Check in your message requests in Discord. I sent you a direct message. Yes, I already requested to take profit already. Vamsi, I typed the number. I directly messaged you. Moolah. Okay, Vamsi, I have you in my DMs. You just need to look at your request messages. I need your first name, last name, and email, okay? I gotta close the live, but I already have you in direct messages. I also added you. Please check your direct messages. Please check your direct messages.